So I'm at the New Year's market here on Dihua Street in Taipei, Taiwan. Happens 2 weeks before the Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year every year. It's the year of the pig. Always fun, always crazy. Let's check it out. Let's check out this year's market. I got some tips for you too.
The Dihua Street Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year market takes place every year in Taipei, Taiwan, 2 weeks prior to the start of the new year. This is a very exciting time of year, marking the most important holiday in Taiwan. This festival is a great way to get to know the culture by sampling the enormous quantity of snacks and food on hand.
This market is like 10 times louder than the loudest night market you'll ever visit in Taipei, or Taiwan for that matter. Anywhere. Actually anywhere in the world for that matter.
任选3样200，任选。对，只是11个小包大半这样。
Outside of festival time, Dihua Street, also known as Grocery Street, is a commercial district filled with Chinese traditional medicine shops and stores that sell these New Year's food items year-round.
So, I mean, one of the reasons why locals flock to this market is because they have lots of free samples. Honestly, a place you can get a lot of your New Year's snacks, but you can try a lot of stuff too. So I always tell visitors to come here because you can try so much food in one spot, like the seaweed snack.
During the 19th and early part of the 20th century, Dihua Street was the center of commerce for Taipei, where many international companies set up export businesses shipping tea and other goods worldwide. Today, it's one of the most beautiful old streets of Taiwan that's lined with buildings with a history that goes as far back as the Qing Dynasty.
Dried squid. This is radish cake. Because a man can never get enough seaweed in his life. More seaweed. Now this is a smart tip. Take lots of candies because you don't have to eat them right away. They're wrapped. You can stash them away for later. Kind of like Halloween. Okay, he just gave me this to try. It looks like a liquid. Just handed this to me. Oh, it's jelly. Mango konjac fruit jelly. That's delicious. It's good. Oh, hi. This is Yoyu?
Yes.
Oh, okay. We'll try. I love my favorite. Can I try?
Delicious.
So the thing is, this market is pretty much always crowded for the 2 weeks before the Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year. But if you want to come at a less busy time during the week, in the mornings or early afternoons, but late afternoons, evenings, absolute madhouse. Dihua Street, 2 weeks before Lunar New Year, Chinese New Year, every year in Taipei, Taiwan. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. More videos on Taiwan, East Asia, and Southeast Asia, so subscribe to the channel now from the Dihua Street Lunar New Year Market in Taipei. This is John Sabo. 谢谢，谢谢，新年快乐。
Hey, get access to exclusive and behind-the-scenes content and support the channel by becoming a patron. Visit my Patreon page by just clicking that box right in the left corner there to see all the patron offers.